In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pick the right Podia subscription plan. Choosing the right Podia plan really comes down to two main things: how many products or videos you have and how much money you're making each month. Podia now offers three paid plans called Mover, Shaker, and Earthquaker, and each one is designed for a different stage of business growth. Let's start with Mover. This plan is best for complete beginners, hobbyists, or anyone testing their very first digital product. It includes the website builder, blog, landing pages, and tools to sell courses, downloads, coaching, and webinars. The trade-off is that Podia takes a 5% transaction fee on every sale, in addition to your standard payment processing fees. You're also limited to 50 products and 100 email subscribers. On top of that, features like affiliate marketing, removing Podia branding, PayPal, and advanced Zapier actions are not included. Next is Shaker. This is a strong fit for creators who are growing and selling consistently. The biggest advantage here is that Podia removes its transaction fee, so you keep more of your revenue. You also unlock affiliate marketing, card upsells, full Zapier actions, PayPal support, and a clean site without Podia branding. The limits increase too, but there's still a cap: 150 products, 1,000 hosted videos, and 500 email subscribers. A useful rule of thumb here is the break-even point. If you're on Mover and earning more than $840 a month, that 5% fee costs more than the price difference between Mover and Shaker. At that point, upgrading can actually save you money. Finally, Earthquaker is for established businesses, agencies, or creators with large content libraries and team members. It unlocks unlimited products, video hosting, community spaces, and team seats, while including up to 1,000 email subscribers. The main downside is the much higher monthly cost, so it's worth comparing with other advanced platforms at that scale. If you're still unsure, focus on three things: how many products you sell, whether you need PayPal, and how large your email list is. And if you're just starting, begin with a 30-day free trial on Mover, build your core offer, and upgrade once your sales justify it.